Hello, I am David1-Turner90, and this is the second part in Animal Crossing City Folk. Okay, well I just got done with number 1 on January 3rd, and now it's January 4th. I'm doing this. Okay, so you can also go to the city, you can do a lot of stuff there. There'll be a lot more like people that you see around, so that's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna be getting on the bus, and I'll see the captain. The captain will start talking to me sometimes. Sometimes there'll be like a cat that'll start talking to you. So there's the captain who's gonna start talking to me. Okay, well we just met our destination now. We are at the city now. Okay, you can see there's many people. There's a dog, there's a tiger, and there's much more people that you can talk to. One time I talked to someone and they really got angry at me for some reason. But all the tool balls you get are your catalog, make something, your fish and insects, your pictures, your friends, that what I have popped up right now, and where you live, your little map. Right here is where no one really answers the door. When you open, I haven't got in yet, so I don't think you can get in. Okay, so I haven't got in. Here's the Bank of Nintendo. You can pay your mortgage, you can deposit, you can withdraw, that sort of stuff. Right there is the movies, and you can watch a movie for 800 bells. And I think you get these faces that, like, when you get surprised, like you just click on it, the person being surprising, and he'll make a surprising look. There's sad faces that you get sometimes too. You can have up to 4. Pretty sure that's as much as you can get up to. Right next to that is a place where it deals with your house, and right next to it is Gracie Grace. That place is where it's really fancy. There's a couch there for 250,000 bells. Right there is an auction house, and at Gracie Grace there's a lot of expensive stuff. There's clothes too, the barber shop. You can make your hair like you're me and make your face look like me, like I have mine right now. And here's a place where people like mostly see what's gonna happen in the future. Cost 100 bells. So yeah. Okay, well we just got done with talking to Katrina. I think that's what her name was. Well, this is mostly it about Animal Crossing City Folk. If I was going to rate it through 1 through 10, I'll rate it probably an 8. because like get on the bus, it takes a long time. It does take a long time to get off too. Well, that's mostly about it for Animal Crossing City Folk. Hope you like it. I could recommend this item for you to buy. Yeah, Wi-Fi.